Video na lang.
Meron ba po?
Ayan. There's a payment for that.
How much?
$5 per
Pwede isa
shot.
pa ba?
Charot. Thank you very much for joining us once again on our tea dance here at Payton Place. And once again, we still have our promo by one tower of beer. You will get 1 present, and 2 towers will get 2 presents. And of course, 1 bottle of liquor is 2 presents also. Alright, just collect your item only on the counter.
Ano? Ay, wala pa.
No, entrance. Ayan. Thank you so much. And happy drinking everyone. Advance happy drinking naman. January 10 yun, no?
Ano ba lang ang date yun?
The ngayon, January 7, 1960.
Ano to?
Ay, mas